case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The case originated from a disagreement between the appellant, the West Coast Hotel Company, and the respondent, Elsie Parrish, who worked as a chambermaid. Parrish sued the hotel for the difference between her actual wages and the minimum wage as mandated by the state statute. The hotel company claimed that the statute violated their freedom of contract, a principle grounded in the Due Process Clause of the Constitution. The dispute progressed to the Supreme Court of the state of Washington, which upheld the statute as constitutional. The hotel company appealed to the Supreme Court of the United States, asserting that the statute was arbitrary, discriminatory, and infringed upon their freedom of contract. The Supreme Court sided with Parrish, affirming the judgment of the Supreme Court of Washington State. In a groundbreaking decision, the court recognized that the state's interest in protecting women in the workplace was valid due to their unique physical structure and maternal function. It maintained that freedom of contract was not absolute and could be regulated if the public interest demanded it. The court strikingly overruled the prior Adkins case ruling, which had likened wage regulation to an arbitrary exercise of power. Instead, the justices stressed that legislation which responds to the conviction that disadvantaged workers should not be exploited could not be considered arbitrary or capricious. The justices also addressed the issue of the minimum wage law's exclusivity. They asserted that while the law applied only to women and minors, it was not discriminatory, as the relative needs of these specific groups necessitated legislative judgment in protecting them from harmful labor conditions. The landmark West Coast Hotel Company v. Parrish case helped solidify the constitutionality of government intervention in employment contracts for the protection of public interest. It declared it lawful for the state to assert its role in curbing exploitation in the labor market, and in doing so, recognized the critical need for government regulation in securing fair and just employment conditions.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.